Good morning, humans. It's morning. I think I had weird dreams last night.
Here's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line, try a different lipstick.
Yeah, I think I had weird dreams last night. When I woke up, I was thinking weird things, and I'm like, why am I thinking that? That makes no sense. Okay. So, hey Spike, how you doing? That's good. I know. Olive drugged her toy over there. It's safely over there. Braveheart? No. Baby. Come here. Leave your sister be. Let her eat. Drink water. And now I'm going to be distracting him so Ollie can eat. Drink, I should say. Cause you's a big meanie. Yes, you's a big meanie. Yes, you is. Yeah, you a big meanie. You's a big meanie. Yes, you is. You's a big meanie. I don't know if you're scolding me or not, Mom, because you're talking in the baby voice. Just a big meanie. Yes, you is. Yes, you is. You're just a big meanie. You're just a big meanie. I'm sorry. I found a scat. I had to pick. There we go. There we go. He's rotted. And he tortures his sister. Okay, you can go get a drink of water now. Ollie's done with it. Ollie's probably gonna go over there to her. Nope, not there yet. I need to finish getting dressed for work. I sound so happy about that, don't I? Yeah. Not really. Bless you. You've been sneezing a lot. You got cold? You got cold? Oh, do you see a key? Do you see a key? I don't know. I'm gonna finish getting ready here. And then I don't know. Go to work. That's what. Guys, I am home from work. I've been off work for the last couple hours, but I'm just home. And I'm watching reruns of ER. Oh, excuse me. And I'm cold. Well, not cold. I'm actually a little warm. I have these new leggings on, and they are like fabulous. Just gonna say that they are fabulous. Oh, I have to do that. Okay, let me. Yeah, that's nice. I'm trying to do 1,000,001 things at one time. It's not working. Surprise? No, not surprised at all. That's not in there. Okay, Oh. No, I didn't get anything else. But okay, that's done. Oh well. I'm gonna go and get some stuff done, like edit and some other stuff. Balance my checkbook. I don't know. Stuff. Stuff's gonna get done. Whether it's the right stuff, I don't know yet. So it's almost midnight and I need to take a shower, but I was sitting here reading one of my stories on my iPad, my tablet, and I hear this car screech and I hear this feck. And I'm like, oh my God, what if one of my babies just got hit? So I immediately threw shoes on and my hoodie here because I didn't have this on. And I took my phone and took the flashlight on and I went outside. Thankfully, it was not one of my cats. It was, I think, one of the fawns got hit from an idiot that didn't know how to slow down. And the deers are running right now because hunting season's in. Yeah. But it wasn't one of my boys or my girls. Thank God. Because I was really concerned, especially after I heard a thack. Like, it was very obvious that the car hit something. Anyways, I'm going to bed. I'm going to shower and go to bed. I have to get up early in the morning, which I just remembered I have to set alarms so I can get up early in the morning. Yeah, because I'm supposed to go to the store tomorrow with my mom. So this is me setting my alarm so I'll be up by like 8:39. Anyways, if you guys are new and you haven't already, please hit subscribe down below. Give today a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see y'all tomorrow early-ish. Yeah. Night.
If I was a guy, I'd get to wear the pants, making all the decisions, asking girls to dance. Yeah.